Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel that helps you build financial freedom through smart money habits, practical investing, and real-life strategies. Today, we're going to peel back the curtain on a topic that's become wildly popular in the personal finance world: passive income. Everywhere you turn, people are preaching about earning money while you sleep, retiring early, and living a stress-free life off passive streams. And while passive income can be a powerful tool for financial freedom, it's not all sunshine and yachts. There's a darker side, one that most influencers conveniently leave out. In this video, we'll uncover what no one tells you about passive income: the real cost, the risks, the mental toll, and the surprising truth about what it takes to build sustainable, reliable income that actually supports your life. So grab a notebook. This one's going deep. 1. The allure of passive income. Why everyone wants it. Let's start with why passive income is so seductive. The idea of money flowing into your bank account without you trading hours for it feels like financial nirvana. It represents freedom, security, autonomy. For many, it's the ultimate goal. But this dream is often sold with a massive blind spot. People hear the success stories. Someone bought a rental property and now makes $1,000 a month. Another launched an online course and earns $10,000 while traveling Europe. Others invest in dividend stocks and receive monthly checks. But what they don't hear is what it cost in time, money, and energy to build those streams. This brings us to the first hidden truth. 2. Passive income is rarely passive at the start. Despite the name, passive income is almost never passive in the beginning. In fact, it often takes years of active, consistent, and sometimes painful effort to set up. Take the example of content creators. A YouTuber might now earn $5,000 a month in ad revenue, but for the first 2 years, they uploaded hundreds of videos with 0 views, investing in gear, software, and skills with no immediate return. Or consider real estate investors. That $1,000 a month cash flow often came after a 20% down payment, dealing with repairs, handling bad tenants, and learning the ropes of property management. And then there's dividend investing. It's true that dividend stocks can pay you forever, but accumulating a portfolio that generates just $1,000 a month at a 4% yield requires $300,000 in capital. That's not small change. Building passive income is often like pushing a boulder uphill. The momentum only comes after a long grind. 3. The myth of set it and forget it. Many gurus love to say, just set it and forget it. They treat passive income as a vending machine. You put in a few hours or dollars and boom, cash every month. But that's far from reality. Passive income systems, especially those involving people or platforms, require ongoing maintenance. Rental properties need repairs. Tenants leave. Courses go outdated. Algorithms change. Dividend stocks get cut. Even your best stream can dry up if you don't keep an eye on it. The truth is, even the most passive income requires periodic attention, adaptation, and reinvestment. If you ignore it for too long, you risk losing it altogether. 4. Upfront costs are higher than you think. Let's talk about the money part. Starting a passive income stream can be expensive. Buying a $300,000 rental property with 20% down requires $60,000 upfront, not to mention closing costs, inspection fees, and reserve funds. Launching a blog or e-commerce store could cost thousands in software, ads, content creation, and branding before it even makes a dollar. Even investing in dividend stocks requires significant capital. At a 4% yield, you need $600,000 invested to make $24,000 a year. That's before taxes. The dark side? People underestimate how long it takes to break even. Many never do. 5. Emotional burnout is real. What most don't realize is that building passive income streams can be emotionally draining. When you're trying to juggle a full-time job, family, and a side hustle, hoping it eventually pays off, the pressure can become overwhelming. There's also the emotional toll of failure. Not every stream will work. That first ebook might flop. The rental property might become a money pit. The affiliate site could get deranked by Google overnight. These setbacks can leave you doubting your strategy, your decisions, and your self-worth. You start wondering, is it even worth it? 6. False promises and online scams. In today's digital age, the passive income dream has been weaponized. Countless gurus sell overpriced courses promising passive income in 30 days. They flash luxury cars, Airbnbs, and Shopify dashboards. But behind the scenes, many are making money by selling the dream, not by actually building passive income themselves. One dark truth: the passive income industry is filled with fake results, fake testimonials, and heavily edited success stories. You have to be extremely careful where you invest your time, money, and trust. There's no shortcut, no magic funnel. Real passive income takes effort. 7. Opportunity cost. What are you giving up? Let's say you spend 15 hours a week for a year building a niche site that makes $100 a month. That's 780 hours for $1,200 a year. Could you have spent that time learning a high-income skill? Improving your career? Networking for a better-paying job? Opportunity cost is real. Every hour you spend chasing a passive income stream that may or may not work is an hour you're not investing somewhere else, potentially with greater return and lower risk. 8. Diversification isn't optional. It's necessary. Another overlooked danger is relying too heavily on one stream. You build a successful YouTube channel, then YouTube changes its algorithm. You invest in real estate, then a recession hits and tenants stop paying. You hold dividend stocks, then the company cuts its dividend. This is the trap many fall into. They finally succeed but don't diversify. And one policy change, one lawsuit, one crash, and it's all gone. Building multiple independent streams is key to long-term success. True freedom comes from layered income, not just one magic idea. 9. Taxes on passive income aren't always low. People often assume passive income equals lower taxes. That's not always the case. Rental income is taxed as regular income. So is interest. Even dividends, though qualified dividends get better treatment, can push you into higher tax brackets if not planned carefully. And don't forget self-employment taxes if you're running a side business or online store. That $1,000 a month might only be $700 after taxes and expenses. Understanding the tax implications is critical, or you'll be caught off guard when your freedom money disappears to the IRS. 10. You still need an active income first. Here's a hard truth that rarely gets discussed. Passive income almost always requires strong active income first. You need income to invest. You need income to cover the risks. You need income to fund your experiments. Passive income doesn't exist in a vacuum. In fact, most successful passive income earners had strong jobs, businesses, or active income streams that fueled their freedom journey. Trying to skip this step is like trying to build a second floor with no foundation. 11. Real-life example. The rental trap. Consider Sarah, who bought a duplex after reading about passive rental income. She expected to earn $1,200 a month in cash flow. But within the first year, the plumbing failed. One tenant stopped paying rent, and the property value dropped due to new zoning laws. Her passive dream became a stressful, expensive burden. Today, she still owns the property, but with far less enthusiasm. She now spends more time managing it than expected and earns less than minimum wage when all costs are included. This isn't uncommon. The numbers don't always tell the whole story. 12. Real-life example. The Burnout blogger. Jason started a blog to earn affiliate income. He wrote weekly, invested in SEO tools, and hired a designer. After 18 months, traffic grew, and income hit $1,500 a month. But he was exhausted. He hadn't taken a real break in over a year. He felt trapped, afraid that stopping would tank the income. The passive stream had become a second job. Jason eventually sold the blog. It gave him relief, but the lesson was clear. Not all passive income is actually passive if you become the product. 13. What actually works. Strategic long-term planning. Despite these challenges, passive income is still worth pursuing, if you approach it realistically. That means building one stream at a time, mastering it before adding another, reinforcing it with systems, automations, and backups, preparing for the worst while working toward the best, avoiding emotional decisions, reinvesting profits for scalability. The people who succeed aren't the ones chasing trends. They're the ones who treat passive income like a business, not a fantasy. 14. How to safely build passive income, step by step. Here's a realistic blueprint to follow. Stabilize your active income first. Have enough to cover your lifestyle and leave room for investments. Choose a stream that aligns with your skills. Whether it's dividend investing, real estate, digital products, or automation, work within your strengths. Research deeply. Don't blindly follow gurus. Learn the risks, the numbers, the timelines. Start small. Test with minimal capital. Let experience, not hype, shape your decisions. Automate and delegate. Use tools and freelancers to reduce your hands-on time as income grows. Diversify slowly. Once one stream is stable, explore the next. Don't juggle 5 things at once. Plan for taxes. Use retirement accounts, tax loss harvesting, and CPA advice to reduce your liability. Stay adaptable. Platforms, laws, and economies change. So should your strategy. If you're serious about building wealth, passive income can absolutely be part of the equation. But it's not magic. It's not overnight. And it's not free from effort or risk. Here on Smart Dollar Mindset, we don't just sell dreams, we deliver strategies. Our mission is to help you reach financial freedom through smart habits, smart investing, and a smart mindset. If you found value in this video, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and check out our other videos on dividend investing, budgeting, and building real wealth. Because passive income is just one piece of the puzzle, we're here to help you master the whole board. Final thoughts. The dark side of passive income is not meant to scare you away. It's meant to prepare you, to empower you, so you don't walk into a financial storm blindfolded. There is no perfect path. But with education, discipline, and a long-term mindset, you can absolutely create income that supports your dreams. Just remember, wealth isn't built in a rush. It's built in layers. Keep stacking, and keep your mindset smart.